Hey guys, welcome back to the HowToHub channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to identify the country of origin of your iPhone. If you're curious about where your iPhone was manufactured or just want to check its origin, this video is for you. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is go ahead and open up Settings. Once you open up Settings, go to General and then About. Here, you'll see the model number. Now, take note of the letters right before the slash. For example, in this case, it's LL. Keep that in mind. Once you have that model number, open up your browser and type in iPhone region. Then, go to the iPhone Wiki website. On this page, you'll find a list of regions and their corresponding model number codes. For example, if you look closely, you'll see that LL indicates the US and Canada region. You can find your region by matching the code, which will tell you where your iPhone was made. That's it. Now you know how to identify the country of origin of your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.